I made my own jelly plate for printing and transferring designs, and here's how I did it. You'll need 375 milliliters of glycerin, 115 grams of gelatin, and some water. Put half a cup of cold water into a large bowl, then measure out and pour in half of the glycerin. Stir slowly to avoid adding bubbles. Next, add your gelatin to the bowl. This probably would have been easier if I had just bought a big tin of gelatin to measure out, but all we had was these packets. Incorporate all of the gelatin, again making sure to stir slowly to avoid adding lots of bubbles. Next, you're going to boil a cup and a half of water. Once the water is boiling, add it to the gelatin mixture and stir slowly until all of the gelatin clumps are worked out and dissolved. Then add the rest of the glycerin and mix thoroughly. Finally, we're going to pour our mixture into a flat, clean pan. Even if you were careful, there's probably going to be lots of bubbles on the top, so grab a piece of newspaper or other absorbent paper and gently scrape the bubbles off to the side. Let the mixture sit where you poured it without touching it for 2 hours, and then put it in the fridge for another 3 to 4. After that, you have a working jelly pad. I even tested printing on a piece of pottery with this one, and it worked great. I'll probably try cutting it down into different shapes so that I can more easily print on different objects. What do you guys think?